Welcome back to another video. Today we got a quick video, guys. We got Milwaukee buy one get one free tool live at homedepot.com. Be sure to check it out. Definitely smoking deals, guys. If you guys like Milwaukee, stay tuned for this video. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make tutorial videos for you guys. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Pretty simple. You go to homedepot.com, you hit Milwaukee battery. You put Milwaukee battery here in the search section. You're gonna get all the Milwaukee deals. You're gonna get all these deals that say get free tool. This one's $3.99. If you put your cursor on top, it'll give you all the free tools that you can get. So we're just gonna click on it real quick. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna go with the other one because I'm gonna look for the cheaper kit that we have. So on this one, you have to look for the two 4 amp hour batteries and a charger starter kit. Let's see here if I can find it. Sorry guys, my computer's like super slow, laggy, because I'm actually uploading a video and or recording a video at the same time. So let's see where it's at. Alright, this is the kit, guys. So it's $1.99 and it's the M18 18 volts XC starter kit with two 4 amp hour batteries. So that's what makes it different than the others. So you basically click on it. You're gonna see the two 4 amp hour batteries here at the bottom of the bag, and the charger you're gonna get for free. And plus you're gonna see this picture here. So first of all, you're gonna get the first tools that you can get is the M18 Fuel D handle jigsaw. You got the M18 compact router, or you got, which is my favorite, this is the M18 Fuel 4.5 and 5-inch grinder paddle with paddle switch, no lock. You got the drywall screw gun, M18 Fuel. So a lot of these are fuel, guys. Make sure you guys are getting the best for your money there, because a lot of these are fuel, the top of the line. Milwaukee. You got the M18 Fuel hacksaw, one-handed reciprocating saw. You got the M18 Fuel blower, which is a great blower. You got the M18 M12, so you got 12 or 18 volts wireless job site speaker. You got the M18 Fuel Surge, which is one of the newest tools out there. It's a 1/4 hex hydraulic driver, which is a surge basically. You got the M18 Lithium 5 amp hour battery pack, which is kind of like the ones we're getting for free. It's a 4 amp hour. You got the M18 Radius compact sight light with flood mode, and you're getting the M18 multi-tool. This is not the fuel, but you're still getting M18. It's a brushed version, the older version, because the new one's just barely coming out or already out. But they're not going to put this here. You got the M18 wet and dry vacuum. You got the M18 6-pack sequential charging station. So sequential, it means that it charges one by one. It doesn't charge all of them at the same time. Then you got the M18 compact vacuum. So the way you can do this, you can look for the free. So when you get to the right side here, it tells you what you're going to get. So you get the M18 XC starter kit with two 4 amp hour batteries, charging contractor bag. Says for $1.99, limit 2 per order, so you can only get 2. Well, I think that this deal you can only get 1 per order. I would definitely try it 1 per order. And I would definitely jump on this if you guys want to get this, because all these tools are gonna sell out. So basically, you click down here, you go 14 items, then you choose your tool, which I would choose that one, which is the angle grinder. It says add both to cart, so you click on add both to cart. Like I said, my computer's slow because I'm uploading another video for you guys. So you got viewing cart. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the deal, guys. $199 free tool. $179 minus $179. So you're getting the M18 fuel lithium brushless cordless angle grinder for $94.24. Smoking deal, guys. That is super cheap. You're getting the batteries for $104. Super cheap. Definitely recommend it, guys. This is a smoking deal here. I'm going to delete these real quick. I'm just going to add a different tool so you guys will see the difference in price. Let's see here. If we can, if it let us. I know it's kind of laggy because to apologize because of we're uploading. Alright, so we're going to add another tool. Let's say we're going to add the, let's go for a cheaper. Let's add this. It's not worth it to get it. Well, it is worth it if you want to. If you don't have it, if you need it, you know, obviously it's worth it because you're getting a great deal. But if you know, if you're getting another expensive tool, you're getting more for your money. Like this one, you'll get this one for $66, which is still a smoking deal. Not so smoking deal on these batteries though on this. So I would definitely go for the other toolkits. But if they ran out and you need this, go and get it. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy tools like this. Make more tool review videos for you guys. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.